You have probably heard of HD lace. But what is it and how does it compare to Swiss lace? In this video, I will explain everything you need to know. HD lace stands for high definition lace. It is an ultra-thin, ultra-sheer lace material that blends seamlessly into the scalp, creating a completely natural and invisible hairline. This lace is so fine and delicate that when applied correctly, it looks like the hair is growing straight from your scalp, making it perfect for those who want the most realistic and natural-looking wig installations. Originally, HD lace was known as film lace and was used in the entertainment industry to create ultra-realistic wigs for actors and performers on camera. But now it is available for everyday wear, giving anyone the chance to achieve that red carpet flawless look. Now let us compare HD lace to Swiss lace, which is one of the most common laces used in wigs. Thinness and sheerness: HD lace is much thinner and more transparent than Swiss lace. It is designed to melt into the skin effortlessly, making it virtually undetectable, even under high-definition cameras and bright lighting. Swiss lace, while still natural-looking, is slightly thicker and more visible, meaning it may require more blending with makeup or lace tint. Durability: because HD lace is so thin and delicate, it is not as durable as Swiss lace. Swiss lace is stronger and lasts longer, making it a better option for those who want a wig that can handle frequent use and multiple installations. HD lace requires gentle handling to avoid tearing or fraying. HD lace is lighter and more breathable, making it extremely comfortable to wear for long periods. Swiss lace is slightly thicker, so while it is still comfortable, it may not feel as lightweight as HD lace. Scalp blending and visibility: HD lace does not need much customization. It blends in naturally even without bleaching the knots. Swiss lace usually requires tinting, bleaching, or makeup to match the scalp. With HD lace, no one will be able to tell you are wearing a wig. Now, let us talk about why HD lace is the best choice if you want a high-quality, natural-looking lace wig. Invisible hairline: the thin lace disappears into the skin, making the wig look like it is growing from your scalp. Perfect for all skin tones, unlike other laces that may need tinting. HD lace works for light, medium, and dark skin tones with minimal customization. Ideal for high-definition photos and videos. If you create content or take professional photos, HD lace ensures that your wig looks flawless under any lighting or camera lens. Lightweight and comfortable, no more itchy lace or heavy feeling on your head. HD lace is soft, breathable, and comfortable for all-day wear. Less need for glue or gel, because it blends so naturally. Some people find that they need less adhesive to keep the wig secure. Before you rush to buy an HD lace wig, here are a few things you should keep in mind. It is more delicate if you handle your wigs roughly. HD lace may not last as long as Swiss lace. Always be gentle when styling, washing, or adjusting the lace. It is more expensive because of its superior quality and seamless blend. HD lace wigs cost more than wigs made with regular Swiss lace. But if you want the most natural look, it is 100% worth the investment. Requires careful maintenance since the lace is thin. Avoid pulling on it, using excessive heat, or applying too much product to prevent damage. My queen, you don't have to pay high prices for HD lace. Due to Blessedluv's hair party happening every 1st and 2nd of the month, get HD lace glueless wigs, HD lace frontals, and HD lace closures for a fraction of the price, plus our luxury bone straight hair and super double drawn extensions with a 5-year guarantee for half the price. You are probably wondering, how are these prices so low? We order in bulk directly from our factory to secure exclusive discounts. And you can pre-order now to lock in your deal. Join our VIP WhatsApp group for early access, giveaways, discount codes, and free gifts. Click the link in the description or pinned comment for more info. Do you have any questions about HD lace? Feel free to comment below. Let me know if it is a lace you are currently using or considering. I am here to guide you, making your wig journey effortless whilst sharing my 22 years of experience in the wig industry.